Welcome to a brief introduction about the Core Awakening seminar series presented by Connected Living. The Core Awakening is a personal growth program for individuals and couples who are looking for change or enhancement in their personal lives. It is a strength-based program focused on the achievement of health, wellness, and a sense of embodied aliveness to live a fuller and happier life. Our seminars are designed to promote personal development within a group setting. They are educational, experiential, and therapeutic. They promote self-discovery and encourage participants to access greater mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual health while achieving balance and well-being. The Core Awakening series of seminars is a 4-month program and Connected Living's foundational program. It is offered every spring and fall in Cowichan Bay on Vancouver Island and in New Westminster near Vancouver. Students and facilitators meet once a month from Friday afternoon to Sunday afternoon in a small, safe, and comfortable group setting. In between these weekends, we provide reading materials, a private Facebook page to stay connected, and online support. The foundation of Connected Living seminars is IBP, which is short for Integrative Body Psychotherapy. IBP is often referred to as the missing link by therapy clients and mental and medical health professionals who discover the IBP training program. What is this missing link? It's the energetic sense of self and well-being that is your true nature. It's your authentic inner voice, not the inner critic. Your inner voice is always there, but it becomes covered with layers of false beliefs about who you are. IBP works with your body, mind, and spirit, using transformative breathwork and movement practices to eliminate old and outworn ways of being and to integrate new, healthy ways of being in the world. Connected Living personal growth seminars consist of lecture, demonstrations, experiential exercises of breathwork, grounding, and boundary setting, personal processing, self-awareness, journaling, meditation, energy work, role-playing, story and myth, ceremony, and movement. These combined enhance harmony, promote ease, and bring balance and alignment, health and well-being to your body, mind, emotion, and spirit. These seminars help participants attune to their body, their mind, and emotions. They develop body awareness, an understanding of muscular holding patterns, and the need for positive neurological repatterning. Participants are given the tools and knowledge to release these stresses and blocked emotions and patterns within the body, creating an increase of energetic charge and aliveness that comes into the body, mind, and self. Together in a safe, non-confrontational way, we explore personal patterns of belief systems, styles of behavior, why we continue to use them even if they are not serving us. We learn to take charge of our nervous system and our personal energy. We repattern the old beliefs that no longer work for us and step into an aliveness, a balance, a wholeness that will bring peace, happiness, and joy into your life. The Core Awakening series of seminars is designed to awaken your core sense of self and support you in becoming who you truly are. Our seminars promote deeper, more meaningful connections, enriching relationships with yourself, your partner, your children, your family members, your community, and the world around you. This self-awareness leads to transformation. We welcome you to join us for the Core Awakening seminars, where you can make a profound difference in your own life and in the lives of those around you and in the world.
I just wanted to say that these workshops have been absolutely inspirational. The women that we get to work with are a blessing, and I have cherished every single moment of it. I am so grateful for everything they have taught me, and I can't wait to use the skills, the tools, and the knowledge in the rest of my life. So thank you.
The Connected Living workshops have helped me to learn how to fully engage with and experience my interactions with other people, and to do so with joy and with aliveness. And it's really opened me up to the possibilities of connecting with the world around me and with other people in a way that I didn't know was possible before. So it's been an incredible experience.